have this new 2125 that I hacked, so I thought I would do a quick session. We can look at the birds here and do a quick spirit box session here out in the back to see if anybody is around.
We have record homelessness in this city where de Blasio is mismanaged it. He spent $2 billion and it's worse than ever. And I want to build real affordable housing.
My spirits. Cynthia. Is there anybody here with me this evening as we watch the birds? If you're here with me, can you say hello, Cynthia? Who's here with me tonight? How many spirits are here with me tonight? Six? If you're here with me, can you tell me your name? Can you say my name? Can you say Cynthia?
As important.